claim that to wear your trousers below the ankle is a major thing. You'll be in hellfire for it. Anything below the ankle is in the hellfire. So to wear your trousers below the ankle is a major thing. But for you to dismantle the Sharia in its totality, it is kufr, duna kufr. Minor thing, minor kufr. This is the ultimate hypocrisy. First of all, the hadith, kufr, duna kufr, is a da'if hadith. In the chain of transmitter is dodgy. This hadith, where they claim Ibn Abbas said, kufr duna kufr, when you don't go and reveal, the scholars of hadith said the chain of transmitter is dodgy, it's not accurate. Why? In the chain of transmitter is a man called Hisham ibn Hajir, and he is da'if, he is weak. And Ali ibn Madani, a great scholar of the past, a classical scholar, in his book Ma'rifatul Rijal, he compiled a book and spoke about all the people who transmit hadith. He said about this man Hisham ibn Hajir, kataba kutubahu ala ghayr ma yaktub an-nas. He wrote his books independently, away from what the people wrote. So all the other people who were writing books of hadith, he wrote his books independently, away from the people. فَاضْطَرَبَتْ عَلَيْهِ. So in his hadith you have great confusion, اضطراب. What do you have in his hadith? اضطراب. فَاضْطَرَبَتْ عَلَيْهِ. So in his book of hadith you have many things that are contradicting each other. So let's take a look at the hadith kufr duna kufr. When you read Tafsir Qurtubi, who said kufr duna kufr? Tawus. In the book of Tawus, in the book of Qurtubi, it is Tawus who said kufr duna kufr, not Ibn Abbas. Tawus. When you read Ibn Kathir, what does he say? Ibn Abbas said. And when you read other books of Tafsir, who said it? Abdullah ibn Tawus. So three people were accused of saying kufr duna kufr. If you go to the Old Bailey and you're trying to slander a man, this man, you're trying to sue a man for slandering you. This man called me a gay and I'm not a gay. And the judge said, who called you a gay? And then you said, Paul. Then he said, no, not Paul, Peter. He said, no, not Peter. It's trouble. Throw the case out of court. Because you don't know who said it, right? You would throw the case out of court and say you're wasting his time. When you study the hadith, kufr duna kufr, Qurtubi said, Tawus made the statement. Then Ibn Kathir said, no, not Tawus. Ibn Abbas made the statement. And when you read other books of Tafsir, they said, it is the son of Tawus who said it. So there is great confusion about the statement, who said it. So you cannot take it as an evidence, because when you study usul al-fiqh, the scholars will tell you الدليل إذا تطرق إليه احتمال بطله به استدلال. The dalil, after thread out of the window, you can use it as a dalil anymore. And this statement, there is great confusion surrounding it, because the scholars themselves cannot make up their mind who made the statement. Also, let's go to another tafsir. Where does Ibn Kathir get his tafsir from? Tabari. From where? Tabari. Ibn Kathir is the concise version of Tabari. In the tafsir of Tabari, when Ibn Abbas was asked, what about the people who dismantled the Sharia, what did Ibn Abbas say? In Tafsir Tabari, volume 4, page 166, Ibn Abbas said what? Huwa bihi kufr. This person is a kafir because of this action. So Tabari said, Ibn Abbas said, if you dismantle the Sharia, you are a kafir. What's my evidence? Volume 4 of Tafsir Tabari, page 166. So Ibn Abbas said, those who dismantle the Sharia, they are kafirs. And this is the accurate fatwa of Ibn Abbas, that if you dismantle the Sharia, you're a kafir. Now many of you listen to scholars and you listen to wicked scholars without realizing that you are listening to a wicked scholar, maybe because your knowledge of aqeedah and tawheed is very limited. So I have, turn up the volume, I have an unpleasant surprise for you. Play the tape. Listen carefully. Is it on? That's okay.
على الأمراء is a very problematic issue in Islam. So attacking the government, these are very problematic situations by the Sharia, because traditionally, although traditionally the Muslims did not have people like these people in their existence from the deen, but nonetheless traditionally the Muslims did not, particularly the Sunni Muslims, did not believe in khuruj ala al-umara even if he was fasiq. And the ayah وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ. Even Ibn Abbas, Mujahid, Ikrimah, the great Mufassirin said, هذا كفر لا يخرجه من الملة. This is a type of kufr that doesn't put the people outside of the millah of the Prophet ﷺ. In other words, that Muslim rulers in the past have not established the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they haven't been considered kuffar by the ulama. So it's very problematic to make takfir. And if you read in the ahkam of Quran by Ibn al-Arabi al-Qadi Abu Bakr, one of the great tafsirs under Qawli Ta'ala.
Brothers, have you heard that? Now this person is saying that if you don't establish the deen in its totality, he didn't use the word Sharia, he said deen. Now people before, leaders before, did not establish the deen. Leaders before did not establish the deen, and still they were considered kafirs by the scholars. Now he told a lie when he said the scholars of the past did not believe in khuruj. Who made khuruj against Yazid? Abdullah bin Zubair. This is famous in Islamic history because Yazid did not deserve to be the caliph because he wasn't a Sahaba. Abdullah bin Zubair deserved to be the caliph, or Ibn Abbas or Ibn Umar. And Yazid was oppressive in some cases. Now Yazid wasn't a kafir, he was only an oppressor.
That has bewildered the scholars. And he said, and those of us of lesser capacity are even more bewildered. So it's a very problematic time, what we're living in, these situations, but you cannot bring a darar to yourself. You cannot bring harm to yourself. It's part of the Sharia, that if you're living in a place to go against their laws will bring harm to you, that is haram to do that. And Muslims that openly reject the law of this country are not only placing themselves in a dangerous position, they're placing other innocent Muslims in a dangerous position.